Hey folks, welcome to the Waldo World. This is Waldo.
Let's get started. This is basic bracelet, uh, just a string, some beads, and a few knots here. So there's a few things I do when I bead. So let me show you. Uh, Here I've selected my beads. I did take a little while, and I reamed these. I stuck this in, clearing them out. This will help your hemp beads go through. They're kind of difficult to push. As you can see, my dog also likes this. I also basically created a needle by taking some nail polish, put it on here, twisting it, and cutting the end so I could sort of create a needle. And I also started this. When I work on hemp, I also use a mask so I don't get all allergic. So I've started here. I've put in a cross, put a knot, knot, three knots, and then I'm going to finish threading. Oops, not yet. Create one knot to keep that in place, and I do use my awl for that. Bring it all the way in, push with your thumb, and there you go. See, if you hadn't put the nail polish on here, it would make it difficult to push this through. Oh, you put in a knot first. And there you go. Basically, you just have to have somebody, you tie it on somebody, or have somebody tie it on you. Now, there are a different one. Here's another one that I'm wearing right now that is the same premise. It doesn't have any kind of closure, and I will show you how to do some closures, by the way. But this is the same idea, and all I did is keep these long, and every inch I created a knot and mixed it in with the other stretch bracelets that I have here. But notice that if you want to, you can also use this as a bracelet. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Thank you.